Yo, what's good, guys? Today is Sunday. It's day, I don't know what day. To be honest, I don't really like I never remember what day it is, bro. But today is Sunday, and so that means you guys are gonna get a weekly forecast. I already posted it in the VIP room for you guys. It's yesterday, so I already posted it in the VIP room. But now I'm gonna, so this is like the YouTube version of it. And so yeah, it's Sunday, and obviously if it's Sunday, you already know tomorrow the market opens again. So going into the week, I always have to have a weekly forecast. I already posted my initial weekly forecast in the VIP room earlier, and now this video is gonna be uploaded a day late. So if you really want the early VIP forecast or the early market forecast for me, you gotta join the VIP room. Anyways, going into, let me remove the indicator real quick. Going into the week on Euro USD, I am more bearish inclined. We just made this weekly fair value gap, and I'm anticipating this to get filled. On the weekly, obviously, 2 weeks ago we had this huge weekly close, bearish weekly close, indicating a continuation of lower prices. So I'm anticipating something like this to happen. We do some consolidation in here maybe, and then fill in this fair value gap and then continue lower. I don't know to where, maybe these weekly lows, maybe this low right here, all of these lows. So I don't know, but I'm anticipating we go into this. Let me do a better version for you guys real quick. So I'm anticipating something like this, dun dun, bum bum bum, and then just continuation lower. Maybe not exactly like that, but I do anticipate we fill in that weekly fair value gap. Besides that, there's nothing much more. Like, I'm more bearish inclined. I really am just expecting a retracement to OTE of this range and to fill in this fair value gap. And this is the range, so this is OTE. We already tapped it once, but that's when we made that fair value gap. So I'm expecting us to go again, take out this generated buy side, and then for us to continue lower, or maybe even dig a little deeper in here. I do not think, if we're bearish, we're not gonna come back up here, all the way up here. I really do think we're just gonna fill in this fair value gap and continue lower if we're bearish. If we're not bearish, we probably just dig through this and keep going higher. But again, I'm not a market maker. I don't know exactly what's gonna happen. That's just the most highly probable scenario that will happen. Yeah, that's the most highly probable scenario that'll happen, following my rules and my motto and my outlook on the markets. You might have a different outlook, but yeah, going into the week on NQ, I said in the VIP room, it is a little bit unclear for me, but we do have major bullish SMT, and after such a large move, we do expect some type of at least a little bit of a retracement before we continue lower, or maybe we just keep going higher. But I do expect some type of retracement, and with this bullish SMT, I want to see some type of retracement higher because of this SMT. And if this SMT keeps on holding and we keep going higher, I don't know, but I do want to see some type of retracement. And yeah, so basically I want to see higher prices, like going into the week, the first couple of days. I want to see higher prices. If we're bearish, we're probably going to hold this SMT for a little bit, or the first couple of days, and then continue lower, maybe fill in this gap right here, and then continue lower, and then break that bullish SMT. Or if we're bullish, we're just going to probably keep holding this and then keep going higher. I mean, if you look at YM is just looking really bullish in my opinion. We clearly just swept these lows. If you look at that weekly candle, swept these lows and filled in this imbalance. Where is that thing? Filled in this imbalance right here, swept this weekly low, and it just looks really bullish in my opinion on YM. But again, that's only YM. YM does move a little bit differently to NQ and ES, even though they are supposed to move the same. YM always moves a little bit more different. So yeah, but YM is just looking really bullish in my opinion. And we have clear SMT, ES and NQ. Yeah, that's the SMT right here. So yeah, I just want to see if the SMT holds and if we can get some type of retracement before continuing lower, because we do have bearish order flow right now. We dumped like over 1.2k points in like a week. Yeah, we dumped like almost, yeah, almost 1400 points in a week. So we have clear bearish order flow right now. We closed below all of these lows, indicating lower prices, and I'm just anticipating some type of retracement so we can head lower, maybe fill in this gap. And yeah, but we can also just maybe just have a little consolidation this week before continuing lower, because after such a large move, you know, we can expect maybe some type of consolidation, and maybe not necessarily consolidation, but maybe less movement, maybe not so much expansion like we had this the last week. But yeah, besides that, I don't know. I really just want to wait and see what the market does, like if we create a low of the week or a high of the week, because that's gonna tell what we're gonna do. So basically the first couple of days of the week are really gonna indicate what we're gonna do the rest of the week, you know. Besides that, yeah, I don't really know. Euro USD looks more clear in my opinion, and YM looks more clear in my opinion. So I'm gonna be looking more at US 30, YM, and Euro USD, because in my opinion they look more clear. Like we have a clear drawn liquidity for me on Euro USD, which is that that weekly fair value gap before continuing lower. So for me, Euro USD is more clear, and also for me, YM is more clear. The order flow just looks way more bullish. If you look, this looks literally exactly like a market maker buy model on the 1 hour. Just it looks literally exactly like a market maker buy model. Get into the PD array, we swept this weekly low, and we had this perfect accumulation manipulation move right here. If this can stop doing that, accumulation, and then we have that manipulation, and then now we're gonna get distribution to the upside. I don't know how much, but it looks perfect in my opinion. In my opinion, it looks like a perfect smart money reversal. So that's why, in my opinion, I'm gonna trade the pair that has the most clear price action, and that's US 30 and Euro USD this week for me. So I'm gonna be keeping my eye more on those pairs. If we do have some opportunities on NQ, I'm definitely gonna take them. But in my opinion, going to this week right now, Euro USD and US 30 have the more clear drawn liquidity on the higher time frame. So yeah, again, if you guys want to join the VIP room, the link is in the description, or just DM me on Discord at NQDemon, or DM me on Instagram and NQDemon, and just let me know. Besides that, I don't have much more to say. Again, thank you for the support on the videos. Last video did pretty good, like 2k views, 2 point something k, so that's pretty good. I'm working on other type of video ideas and like stuff I can do. Like for example, I have exams in the upcoming, like in like 3 weeks, or yeah, almost 2 weeks now. Yeah, 2 weeks from now, I have my final exam. So I'm probably gonna be taking a little bit of a break, or not a break, but I'm gonna be more inconsistent. I'm not gonna be as consistent because I have to be learning. But then I'm graduating, so after that, you know, the grind is on. And basically I wanted to say that maybe then I can come with other video ideas for you guys. Like maybe I can start live streaming and do all of that type of stuff, like live charting sessions on YouTube every maybe once a week that we usually give to the VIP members. I can maybe start doing some type of live trading every once in a while. So I'm working on, you know, ideas to do for you guys instead of just only these vlogs, because, or not even these are not really vlogs, they're just like market recaps and trade recaps and stuff like that. But I want to I'm coming up with more ideas, obviously for when I'm done with my exams. But besides that, these are the videos you guys are gonna get. And yeah, hope you guys keep enjoying them. And yeah, I think that's enough for today. I don't have a lot of more to say. If you guys want, like, if you guys just join, if you guys want me to, like, how do you say that? Yeah. If you guys want me to, like, review more pairs and stuff for you guys, just let me know. Like, join the Discord and just add me or something and say, like, yo, NQDemon, look at this pair, and I'll, like, review that pair for you guys if you guys want to. Besides that, I don't really have a lot more to say, to be honest. just a simple market outlook. Again, last week my market outlook was perfect. I said I was really bearish. We had multiple levels of liquidity, untapped, low resistance liquidity, as you guys know, and we had a perfect analysis last week. Let's see how this analysis works out. I hope you guys enjoyed this market outlook, and take care.